in fear you see a sister yes ya or more a yen she say ye a boat data and rada or keku sabonte so moton safrem and penny nana dan kwaku for watch my PSA bema boda so wamre nana mo nyamon fa meta wo machi no mo 60th anniversary no a wo mo edie de enye peyo na ona man penny nana dan kwaku for do kwakwa ni say sani odi free SHS ba ya he ehiafo esikafo obi eba eko senior high school no sabepe no ye nhyehyɛ say yesu apon no say ya kese say ye nkuma akade so mo nsaka e ma sa nkwada wo ye omo ko free SHS no omo timi ram ekosuapon hudo no no oguso eye ntoto ya obi ansa beka ne de na timi abo mo mayi ngumasua atimi etumpon.
I assure you of the commitment of my government to give the university the required support to expand its infrastructure for the benefit of the numerous senior high school graduates who now qualify to access university education yearly. I must perforce thank the university for supporting and acknowledging the benefits of the free senior high school policy. There is, however, more to be done in ensuring that with the increasing number of senior high school graduates due to the ease in access to secondary education, every one of them has a place in tertiary education. It is for this reason and the numerous other achievements of the university that I find a theme for the celebration, 60 years of quality higher education, expanding the frontiers, most apt. It is said that an investment in education yields the greatest dividend. Government will not renege on its commitment to provide quality education and equal opportunities for future generations to have a good education. Regardless of the difficulties currently confronting our nation, government will continue to intervene and remain responsible for the provision of free and quality basic and secondary education for all. I came into office with the belief that education should be a right of which all of Ghana's youth should avail. Today's youth running barefoot to school could be a future leader of the arts, business, industry, or government. Education is the equalizer of opportunity. I'm in this position as President of the Republic because of education. I want every child to attend school, not just from what they learn in books, but for the life experiences they will gain. I want each of them to look in the mirror in the morning and know that they can achieve anything they dream of when they complete their studies.
Abusiama Penny na Danko Akufo-Addo ne yete kan enweche na Chancellor of the University of Cape Coast to ano Dr. Sir Sam Jonas so no ede kakra esoso.
Concrete measures and actions and implement them to have an integrated economy and which will make us less dependent on foreign goods. I'm afraid our economic challenges will be further assessed. Without a doubt, I believe that a good start is to start with food. I think that it is unconscionable that most of the tilapia we consume in this country comes from China. Our frozen chicken comes from the Netherlands and the United States. And of course, we rely on Burkina Faso for our onions and tomato. Now, I'm sure you all learned, the Chinese having taken over, destroyed our land and now producing cocoa, are now exporting cassava and gari and yams. The cost of food everywhere is a major part of any country's economy and behoves on all of us to do whatever we can to improve accessibility and affordability. My charge to this university, therefore, is that we lead the national effort in ensuring that we are using cutting-edge technologies and research to assist with the efficient implementation of the government's economic and agricultural policies.
Abusia Dr. Sam Jonas ye penny kwanche for the University of Cape Coast to announce Chancellor. Almost 60th anniversary omudi ya man penny na Danko Akufo-Addo ndo ko honom de monyam ekotechri eno de adesretum penimfo nim se braso so my Ghana yesese ensa kakra enko ese broni wawu nkokɔ no ya bribie kwa kwasesa de efri abrofo no krom e de aba begu a wabra portrait for amenya na e wo Ghana mema sei e braso si yesesa yensa kakra.
Yada soa ejina enwomesua ensemo na asam ya ban no editu dwa wabra no so eche so behwe se beya kade ene eniema ye betimi abo nkwada de sua no obema ne nsemo aye hare wo ho na timi abo wo nwomesua no eyade aban no sabre ye kasei na nsensu dwetire ya Conference of Heads of Assistant Secondary Schools wanom ene buffer stock mpanyifo wanom esu edigu aban so ni nyina ne sika ya wasa wode ma wonom ema enkwada na didi netimi kwaso wano ma wo muso afu bobe ema wotimi esua enwoma no enya de sika no ekọ na aban no aba abonten ena wo kyerem se wotwe bibia frisro na ema ya ebia na bibi enekramu na sabre ya kasa de atadwefo wa empanyimfo atedenne abrewa yipomakwemu ama aban no etimi agya sika mu Ghana sika fufroi eye opepe no wo ha aduonu ensia 126 million ya wade ama eyanto asoso ko ahodo no ene buffer stock se wonum som se be ya nkwada ne didie no Ghana entre na nyina no wonum so ensetimi aka wonum de kasamafo edema enwomesua so ye yewura kwasi kwaten ena edi ensemi etudwa
ti wohwe na wohwe kakra etwam ya abai Ghana bai iska over 198 million Ghana cedis through Ministry of Education say infama yankrabata buffer stock for any one money or mu adwuma nyina say one mo fa hwe no mo schools ne ho tini e fasa akwanya so asawofo nkrai say de sika say nwane ho asem ne ade nyina ya hwa ne ka ho asem ahoden wo ho na yegususu a ntoto yekoso a say de be ya bribia no e mo fa ne nwanom ne nkwara won mo schools ya pon mo sua de benya nwane at every point bia na won mo adidie so de be ya won mo adesua nyina be koso pepepe ebi onso hweska na emu bi about 72 million Ghana cedis call ama baby a friend recurring budget and expenditure net say one of the head teachers obeto we no man kakra won mu hia de around school so no ebi wa sports fee no money ade ne no ma bi on de administrative around school so no so scan bi su be call entina nhyehyɛ a ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛde bɔ make sure say adesua bɛkɔ so abribia no Minister for Education ora Dr. Yausa Duchum na ni wo ho yie pa watoto nhyehyɛ magana ban eguso a ɛboa bo ho abra
Yerua kwasi kwaten obi ye wakasa edema enwomesua asuye na no disem na abusua ye kwa homa so ekotie ye
abusia fam free nwomesua won sensem ne fam komraso agefiem na mraso adwani o mraso agefiem adehye o mo Cape Coast South Abaton pesua so honorable Kwaku Rekete gan papai enre bi atwam no ye so afa be de chehwe mayi yesikasem no ntutu so o mampani da John Dramani mama ne penso na se nchidu aso ba ko a asori mraso agefiem ho no mo ye se asen of mraso ni papa Jachi kwesi anyambia se ewoso oba adwuma na kobase bia mraso jafo na tra se dwendweno my konkro Ghana ho a odna no kokotumbie se ensese woko eho manso asori mraso jafiem if sensem ni jejira court a Supreme Court mpanimfo kra hye se ontimi mfre no ho se we MP edema adehia wo ye asen of Abaton pesua so na enso mraso jafo ni binum fi se Supreme Court mpanimfo anya de e se papa ne kwa no oba mraso jafiem wo no oba ye adwuma kosi se womatimi asi gina yese ebia efiri na kwani kwanso oba parliament onomo na no na honorable Kwaku Rekete gande na no atumu bia one dey work kan se nipa ba ko pe na Ghana ha se otumi etimi ka se MP we yampam ne mfiri mraso agefiem na se won tonko so ntra mraso agefiem onomo na sa nipa no speaker of parliament we ye no to nchene a obi bie no honomo a owo sa 2 minutes o ka kire MP bi se wontimi emma mraso agefiem onomo emesom na dehye
dam eyina oye no onkesi. You know, I think the speaker after being the ruling or if you disagree with the ruling, come with a substantive motion. But this gimmick, this dancing around, and it's not going to end up anywhere. We are wasting too much time with this issue. Speaker referred the issue to us. We have some of them are a new territory for us. You know, we've never been in this type of parliament, the hang parliament, to get the problems that we have. We have never had this since I have been here, three, parliaments. We've never had such an issue. On your problem, it's never been an issue. Now, the type of investigation and the debate that went on at the Privileges Committee itself tells you that there are weaknesses in law, constitutionally, that needs to be looked at. In hang parliament, the parliament we have now, into some of the issues that we are having, probably will never see any light in any day. But clearly, it tells you that we are moving into dangerous, or not dangerous, but evolving territory. And basically, I don't know what they are doing. They obviously know what they are doing. But we hope that the motion will come. We will deliberate and debate this issue. And Mr. Speaker, who has the sole right and responsibility to declare a seat vacant, that's so. Not me, not my chairman on the Privileges Committee, not the majority, not the 30 members of the committee. Ours is to recommend, and out of our recommendation, a determination through deliberation and debate will be made, and a final call will be made as to whether people retain their seats or vacate.
Abusia wa yamra so jani o wamra so je fiema de so mo Cape Coast South abaton pesia so maybe atwa no ye so afa be de kira o sho ma ye sikasa no ntoto ye so ono abokwaku Ricket Hagan.
Yada so agyina mrahye bedwam na eye panyipa ya wono ya chiamehene edema mrahye bedwam Right Honorable Abba Case for Sumana Bagbin wano so akasa edensam atodwa ela watcher se abato komisa no enya dia obema won ho kwan ama watimi de dia wofra ne se constitutional instrument CI no aba beto mrahye bedwam gisa wonom ene no ede ahia ama kita hodie ye sefata akoso mo no so asasa na chi ednani akirem wo mrahye bedwam panyimfo nchen ene o ma behia ansa na hyehyɛ ya wonom epese edi atintimai ewo wonom sudwumediem no etimi akoso na ensem wese nyina no wode ye kokobonsem de ma wonom sebe ya wonom ntena se na enkoto da wonom beba no omo beka sesebie so sebie kronto chiamehine bia wo ye bayase anase bia wo pampam wonom e de afrim na hyebedwam na ye raba bensem nyina no etodwa wabra eye deputy minority chief whip panyipa be de eche ya wode gitakra wogem e de madom kuma no monyanfo Ahmed Ibrahim wama so ema minority leader on monyanfo Haruna Idrisu enso edna no to mu bi ya wonom eche say isi no wonom ne NIF wo eyade a won hyehyɛ ya wode agu akwan so sa wobɛhwɛ amietimi de Ghana card no enkoa enatimi ade dwuma no na kyese e was a business statement of parliament nyame ya adoma next week anasa na watwe a eno edi anim no wonom de beba sebe ya won dwumadie no bibibia bekoso no na sade no enya de won bia no na ka honti yewura baben wose isi no wonom hwɛ ena anyansa ne nsɛm ya wode to dwa nrada mrahye bedwam ne yenkwa ahomaso nkotie bie
by the EC on any proposed instrument coming from them. And so I raised this some time ago. I'm yet to receive them to be briefed on it. Until that is done, they should forget about laying any such instrument in the House. I think the misinterpretation and misunderstanding of the concept of independence of various state institutions or arms of government that are stated by the Constitution to be independent. The independence is in the performance of their function. When the matter comes before Parliament, that is the performance of our function, not their function. And they cannot say they are not subject to the control of anybody, including the institution of Parliament. By that time, that is our function we are going to perform. And we are not subject to the control of any arm of government or institution of state. So please, the EC, the Bank of Ghana, including the judiciary, should take note that their independence doesn't mean that independence has ousted Parliament from performing its functions. And so if the CI is to come to the House, the proper thing must be done both procedural and substantive law must be followed, and I will not allow any such instrument to be laid in this house until I am briefed, and I think that is the proper thing to do, together with the house, to make sure that the right thing is done in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution. Anybody who is not satisfied is permitted to proceed to the Supreme Court on this matter.
Abusian form no bedroom chairman, right? Honorable Alban case for Samana Babin. And now what they and some two dry me born in out of another or they can't work a crano. And it's about to bedroom Kwamisano. Afe sika krabia bata ye no ewo memo Bank of Ghana enim running nim wonom so adwuma judicially no eyadia aban na se oman no ama wonom agyina ho content kra ya wo bi antimi enka wonom adwumadie mu asem na so no se ade bi wo wona wonom ye na ehun sunsun so ye de bebre oman ma no entimi mu a na hyebedwafo wonom ho kwa bia so betimi asechira ka sebe ya wo manfo no so no wo bi enfa wonom so sekan entimi enwa nanka
abusian safe no abeka ho ye ka mo se Sompa 93.1 FM ya no pa no nsia kase ana nsan ba bia wo bia na yeguso e de ma mo style bia no sa wote enka osunyane ne mpotemu a ha Sompa 98.9 FM Sompa 98.9 FM ohwe o Facebook ni social media handles ahodo no a oko Facebook Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 93.1 FM na oko YouTube a Sompa TV o subscribe na do adwenche no nsusu no mo bia honom yeguso a ye be kase de ma mo adaje ba mu a ye bedwudwam mo adwenche no mu kakra e de amamo ye nto aso e na ye mfa mo nkoso afo we sikasa no ntoche so ye rake no furi ata aso hye a wode abrema mpani na na do dan kwaku Bimrasweja for be 80 and a story na no brother no some penny na do dan kwaku for the pew so pew one papa no na ahonchira o maye namu no emu fa dodo no a eye keno for atenti adesra o mo de to man penny na do dan kwaku for do anim sa papa no one sakene no wo sakeno a enyo no nko yera Charles Adubu an ye o te man penny amoto mu a yesisi kasem ono so efa ba bi kuta no no wono so mo o mayi kwambia so wono so ye nwonu nkonsam firi wono mo na na montuo we ya MPs ni ye no besine he second for yata so woko se wo tena ho se wo ye dey akwakwa bibi a onse da hu ni ti hu ni nan hu na so hu na fu bia and am so Sompa FM nsam chefo penspedu kata remnant ye ne se ye mompira nim difo no a wo ma abene wa manyosem ane sikasem ne yemu se wo mo se sa na monto ye MPs ni tu ya NDC for techre ya mampedi na do dan kwaku do ase wotie ase ontie no o man yi kwan bei na befa so a ebeboye Anunti Dr. Atiku Eche Political Science our University of Ghana Legon yene ni kodi nkomo no ye ne se wono no o hepetete kremu pa Akufo-Addo onye na dwene se kenufuriata no o bepam ne bieni
Omampeni aye na adwin se ne Ghana for beka no onfenye adwuma at the time na ye bi ye ka se onye reshuffle no I remember speaking to this your radio station and some others that those particular days no in the president beka say people are looking for jobs na se so mo pe minister job tiro mo ka se or reshuffle omo at the time na onu kasa be acknowledge say Ghana for tibia ye mu na haship no eye no aye kasa on reshuffle on show the management team that is that time na president by no beka say the ministers they are performing excellently. I'm because I'm say excellent performance in our manner you see I could do say excellent performance in our manner. So basically we should the indicate it's like the president was not on top. You can say the president is not on top because right now say yeah the more independent analysts and now even from the opposition the party and a year. So maybe you are seeing something. Wow, members of parliament, 80 of them, even 95, I understand, 95 of them, 95 out of the 137 members of parliament, there was one particular one, I said, meaning the eco radio station, now or representing, at the time, I said, finance minister was said, or system, he was defending, said, giving reasons why the finance minister was doing well, and now, also, I find saying, Omoka the 80 and that's a 95 MPs finance minister echo. So the point is that right now a day in a year a president a day in opposition the president they say a day in a Omani party members of parliament and on president so the president has taken And your decision is said, you can always start of Uriata. And yes, the pressure now, Eba, the ACC, and our case, okay, 3 weeks be now, and then 3 weeks. Why will members of parliament say the finance minister is incompetent? Why will you continue to have that incompetent person? Why will party members of parliament say we're incompetent? We need credibility, no? Why should that person continue to lead to the IMF?
Abusia Dr. Atikuni Etene Kano, a political science lecturer with University of Ghana, Legona Banamanyo Simua, Wabini Mupa, and the Kubusa, no Sasaman Pedias, Uti, Wunti, Uhuni Sinin, or just one day or no, or Herman Penin and Andrew Danko Kufado, when you're not doing net, and I such and say, no offer second of Friata, and we in a D, Ama, Osika Semna to Yinte Hong Komo, and your Koya Kukudi.
Abusia yet so and some no so and famamo, and no Ghana must work Peketino. Eyadia ekwo so na ekuyi wonu maka wo ho boma ne watena sidin ena wo kire sa aban no wo ya ede wonum ensem bi ayensase eni se niema nkoye wo memu asenom na wonum enante ya wonante ye no wonum ehase e wo Kawukudi Park ye no e won krampompuni mantamanurada ni nyina kire se wo bia su na niwa e wo mu se wiase ayede ya mansa nyina kan wosam de na so wo kire wo memu asenom de e bro so dodo anu te no wonum nyina kan wo ho bomu ya vice president na kache wonum deputy kwama ne se wonhwe na endru aba no se be ya niema eno ebekọ yedi ama memu fo ma ho kire ya no adwale wo manfo asetenemu no ano etimi abrase panyi pa be de kire ya wono bobo doma no edema NDC amanyoko no ya chief baini wono enedi domo animu a wode kratai ekomai wode nsam kakra etudwa.
The fact that he arrested the dollar and today we all know where the dollar is going. The fact that he told us that borrowing is not the case, and that if he comes in, there is money in Ghana, he was going to do something better. Trust me, times are hard. The business community are complaining. Students are complaining. Teachers are complaining. Police, military, everybody. And so we have to call on him to make sure this economy gets better. He promises that he's an economic whiskey. And so a reminder probably will help him do something better. For the people of this country to get some hope. We have become hopeless. We don't know the direction we are going. And this is not the Ghana he promised us. Ghana has been same since 2016. They told us we were going to move from taxation to production. What were they expecting to do? These are the questions we're asking. If we are doing production, what are we producing? What raw materials? Are we exporting some? Is it helping our balance of trade? These are the things they told us they would do. And so this is what we are calling on them to tell us what they have done or what they intend to do, for us to know that as a country we've got hope. Now, Ghana, where we are in terms of the world rating, is too bad. What you call Benin and Togo, they are doing better. They were all affected by the COVID, Ukraine war. So what has happened to us? This is why we are calling on him. Remember the wife, Samira said he's an economic whiskey. So we are calling the whiskey to come and help us save the situation. We have given the petition to the office of the vice president. We are expecting to see him actually do something. And so we'll be looking up to him. They claim they are listening government. And so we'll be watching them closely. And if they are doing something, we will know. If they are not doing anything, we will know. In fact, it's by the grace of God that we are here. And so I can't tell you what will happen tomorrow. We'll leave that to God.
Ebusia for chief Hamilton Baini wano ena wano ma wombo adoma no edema NDC chinyabata amanyoko no waye panyipa abedi echire na no di seme ne yekokotie na no achi ena emebru don frefo edema NDC amanyoko yera George Opale Ado wano so na wo dwumedie na sintintino wode ensem sei ensofo aso.
The court will limit the number of people who can pick it. Court order gave the number to be 19. But 19 of us can walk from the Kawukudi Park, and then instead of going to the Flagstaff House to present our petition to His Excellency, our incompetent and sleeping Vice President, they decided that they would rather appoint 3 government officials to come and meet us at the head office of the DVLA. And even that, only 3 of us, the picketers, can move from here beyond this point to the DVLA to present the petition. That is how poor our courts have become. But as law-abiding citizens, who are adhere to the court order, and so Chief Baini and 2 others will leave the group and go and present the petition. This is the beginning of many protests to come. Yes. We are telling President Akufo-Addo, we all know that he was a notorious demonstrator. Yes. But today, he is afraid of demonstrations. We are also reminding our courts that they can continue to use the courts to suppress the people. But the day is coming where the people will arise. Yes. And no courts, yes. No police officer can stop us. Yes. It is in their interest to allow us vent our anger. But if they continue to suppress it, only God knows what will befall this country. Yes. So we'll move from here and go and present the petition.
Emebru don frefo edema katamaso amanyo kuono yera George opare adwenrada one of demonstrations apekation ya omode hihye so no emu nsem bi na abusuafo ya da na ya kiredi amamo no
ya fam ko apomdire mu nsem kakrai na National Health Insurance Authority mpenimfo ka omode hospitals ahodo wo memu nya asem keto nam so ema private hospitals wo Ghana nyina wo mo enkabo mu ko penimpa ohwani amansa di nkomoma wunum yera Samuel Boache donko one so mpa fam nsem twefo abotu mai kakra na woti na so se wo mo kekọ mo nkrata asie ni no makwa akosiu aban no ene National Health Insurance Authority almost hunu say yaban no bo apayo say opeso good private hospitals enti na ma otu sa na mo no if the health insurance card ye da ho the company say aban ade wo mu say if you bear 10 months ni and a 1 cedi kra na aban emfama wunum entom de mu hunu say aban na ye court wa and be manati wo masem nei o mo kika o mo nkrata gina sie ni no mo akwakosi wa aban no
for them the kapa that you answer court problem say contractors don't court among unity at the bank court the bank say pesa what here na court that be no court problem because contractors are only assign no only the so but person you the only the so oh we be say bank tin so fe enem ma that to do what the day put him to do bills na cost from physical companies the asamaba cash and carry who question car to be come out do also some more do any people nipa gwa nsa bi wo nyesika ntia na yen sika na be di wona and they do nya so saban so man ya and the quarter the bem then so be ye fizo no be ye fizo and so na what you insurance ni bi sanity can tell you about court na say to ye bi except for car for car omo the penalty yen court ana aban de ka dia ye for the court ana aban no assembly bi omo na assembly no ana onu nimba na so except the court etiesi ka with interest never pass on so ye papa se say we fish na wakota le bia onkana na mcho NDC for giant almost 16 to 17 months our main ka and we fish ko na ye papa ko so de ba obi tuaman no ozo chade je ku every our on try ko so de ebi de 10 months ebi de 9 months ebi de 8 months ebi de 6 months sanity 7 months na okasa no okọ no e kase ni jato wa na okọ sa ayi capitation ni pese ye betin ni di krabi ebeku aya sabieri na ebeku na ebesei no kura ya mbese betin di bio capitation ni sen wo bi eni part e tere bi abi wo se wo yare o otusu aya sabia that be se wo yare a wo beko na abai ban ko sikamara what be that what ase wo be that it's also one look at them saying, Ningari, was it? I also do this in baby. Coco to say, win and that's some yaya. But not to win baby out. Obakoya. You need to cry out. We acquire a copy. We didn't baby out. Obakoya. It's all to see with the idea. We are the one as a baby. I want to see you. We are saying.
We asiane say we customer for the ma private hospital some of the health insurance juma yera Samuel Boache donko any attaining kano.
Ebusiafo areho semia babeto ya kase ebo apreso etrese nrada panyi bi ye freno yera opoku wanya emfinhia no aduonum and 54 eyade a wono akasa akofa homa ede ahye ne kwan ya waje ne krade afini nsem ewo moral market bia bi ye no be kro from asante mantem hasenum na enam sonte no ya kasa ye nua ba afia age wa kode wonani kwatwa wisa ne hene santamo ekohwe ye sa asem na yampa anase enya pa bra okodru ho no woni yewura opoku ne nua be ma ya ye friend Orua Collins ebo nkomo efare ho semi ho
5:30 and ofre me say opese obame ho na ontina habie enti na medical na din ko say me pedan ide amano obese me be 2 years na me na kan bibia enti ada na me dra pa me na me eba tina haya na me kasai enti ahmachi ofre me na me say na nya dan ni bi na omo yimu atu enti no ontwen na omano so peso obame ho na me say na onde ya onye omra na so kiwati timidi minim se nudu ahombo aso ase wo oba ana me madam from Bono from wo de no me fra bucha ba na makoyi me be du fia me ne brain ana ye frem se me bla che no akọ flow oni ba on worry eh minia
Abusiafo Yera Collins wano eye nuapanyi edema ora opoku ya sabre kase no wafa homa ahye ne kwon eku ne ho a eno akwakwa ya rehosem no ne de ena ekotie ne no achi eno anu akasa no wafa ase nimpon wono so ede kakra etudwa
aya no sintie ne ya papaina amachi na ju ayo tabe bo me prum say mitie ne ya untimi na be mantene it na say the man de ne ko hospital na ye kakra entine mo be bo me prum say mitie ne ya na misesa na me ne be tena aya no pese de bie ni pagina na ho no ni di nkomo san tibini na tena bonten me wo fa ba ko ma ni gina ho a ana o se me fa ne ko hospital na msu you na me wo fa ba ko so odine to mu di kan ko ba me so na me ko baby omo ko ba ye no ana o se doctors ne I say on psychiatric medical de na ko mo confirm ni tuo enti o ko ye no ana mama na obi wo fa ne chi odine ko na mama na bi ana o to kokoma ni timi so me ka se me ko baby kokoma no na so me da enti o so ho no friend say wa mantem oni ni di nka o ma bai ana me wo fa ne friend yere say on tumlika emra mehwe enti o ba ye no o mu po friend of apoku o mu po pro ne nice o hye me ho
Abusiafo faseba edema Yera opoku ya watso na nanom wonse do no ono so ne de a yenyaye na eye nuaba afiaje wakode papa bi otimi ene wonom kodi nkoma wode ebai na we yare hosem abusuane ya ma wonom nyina hyede na ya obi wo ho na asem hye no so wo hia wo bi ene no edi nkomo keke nso no ya na wonya wo bi ya asem mo
bia atoda enye se bia o solve any problems e de amano odi eti na asem keke
ya wo bi ene na di nkomo aka na asem keke akere no
ti keke ma no
awutie se de na ofa asere ka na wi anu abobo ne mintimi na opese abribia obi woni nchen asem hye ne so
ne tie ne ya no woka ho asem ya adwendwene so hu ebi o problem bi na wadwene ho sa nti agya ne ti yade
so na danfo bi kura se ayi wo se wiase nya ni debiem oti wiase a wo ye den fa so be na wo so ane se yeso okwa ya sabia kura wo ofiri wo ba ya nche na akofa homa so
ya na ye ne se na me kura meti wo ye den
erade hu ye mobo
problem ti se de ya
nya me be hwe yen
yes nya me be hwe yen
so ayi trasam se hwan na betimi adwendwen de basafa aka ne tenten obi antimi nti bibia wo wa yenyan fa manyankopon
na problems we want more ebe prepare yen for ekunimdie bi ewe
yes
na sa problem ni mu extra bibi so ema nigye na eba na hunu se why ready say nigye na obeso ma so ntimi bia na yesa nkunim na eba no ntimi
ade abeche kura pon so so ya na esum di nkan ba bibi ansa ya bibi nyeye ti de ebesi bia na ya na nya ntobo ase e fa nye mpai bo
awogire wo ho awonyehia wo ho ba nyankopon nim ne ma
yes
ade achi ase yedidi yese niam boode aduane boode petro yintimi nto ade achi ayekoba
o ma wa no aduane o ma de ade anchen ufi wo na yem ye mojato ada na yem na awrade ni mo
petro no mo pa mo nton no 1 liter bia 1 million nyankopon
na ti akura ye be kwa ba
mo no pa mo nton no 20 million nyame de be kwa ba
ye be didi
mi mo bia mu ya be
sanity inshallah bibia be ye
nyame de be kwa ba ye fi obia abusia fancy na pike na ya no kese enya hwe farisa wate enyumire be saba ye be saba na ya ba beto aso aseda nkoma pike David na ya o na ayi friend say my branch ye wo Frank no na okoso mpasunyane a
ekwa nya kwa bro no ma chiamini mo Rex form ani sie wo mo makanyina o ma ya de o mo nyina mo aka ho bi
na ya ososo ebutu ho
yo
dem na ayi producers no mo producers na o mo gira tira haze no aya ze ketu
ya mo di baba
studio hazana radio wo bi a mo muso nyeye o mo ka ho bi na e ma ne so for yesamo for penny ye asante ye boa Benedict kuku Veronica Jando akosia somwa kwabna kesi So mami mi unse no nam ha homachi you.
Sa esa ne nasi kwan so. On the so nim the lines.
Yes mu.
Ya chia papa.
Mr. Prefer.
Me na say me hu na enu achi. Na maka.
I was for embassy. Me dey ya bo amali bi aboga no pay me ne.
Oh hine yire ma me akua ye boa esiama.
Sompa 93.1